morning, everyone. It's a nice, hot, humid Sunday morning. So today's plan is to go to a place called Jiufen, which is in northeast of Taipei City. It's around an hour on the train and another 30 minutes on the local bus. But it's famous for its tea houses. So right now it's around 10 o'clock. Yeah, it's around 10 o'clock, so I'm just going to go grab a quick bite out of a 7-Eleven, which, by the way, I love 7-Eleven. So we're walking through this alley here, which is just around the corner from the hotel that I'm staying at. And with Japan, with Taiwan's history, it's a very Japanese influence. Even to this day, there's still close ties with Japan. But I think, I don't know, I was told that it costs around $200 to get there, which is roughly €6. But we'll see what the story is. Oh, today's weather is really hot and humid in Taipei. But however, the weather in Jiufen, sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but that's what it says, Jiufen. The weather there is quite unpredictable, and we're expecting rain later, so hence why I bought the umbrella. As you can see, mopeds everywhere. Well, they call it scooters here, but moped scooters are the same. We move. Oh, by the way, in Taiwan there are convenience stores every few meters, and the two main ones are 7-Eleven and Family Mart. Both are Japanese. Then you got the smaller shops at the same time, also Japanese. And so many of these around keep the prices down for everyone. Surprisingly, whiskey is very cheap here, at least compared to Dunn's. So how's it going? Yeah, quick update. To get to Jiufen, you have to go to Taipei main station, and there you have to get onto the blue line. Well, yeah, you have to get to Taipei main station, blue line, get off at blue line, go to platform, I think it was 4B or something like that. Look, anyway, look, I got the ticket. Once you buy a ticket, it costs what, 79 bucks, which is around less than €3. Absolutely sweating in here. Make sure you go on platform 4A. You head north and do not get on the train that goes to a place called Keelung. We're going to a place called Bang.
myself thinking, have I found myself now. I just have to find it. Please save me somehow. I spend my life searching, feeling so cold. This game that I'm playing is scary.
So yeah, just got off the train there from Taipei to Jiufen. I think it's pronounced Jiufen. But to get to Jiufen now, you have to go get a bus up to the old village, and there's a visitor information centre right outside the train station. Well, inside the train station. It's inside the train station, but I'll show you it now. And we move. That's where we're going to the bus station. Absolutely raining here. It's a lot cooler here than Taipei at the moment. But yeah, this is the Jiufen town centre. Always bring an umbrella. So we move. Yeah, so once you get on the bus, right, it's another 10 to 15 minute bus journey. Bought one of these here, disposable raincoats for €1, I don't know, 35 bucks. Absolutely terrible, it was already ripped on me. But look, it's absolutely pelting out now in Jiufen. I'm finally here in Jiufen, and it's a lot cooler than it is in Taipei City. A lot of twisty roads and all of that. A lot of mist. But we're hoping to go find a place where we can rent one of those traditional Chinese costumes or outfits and roam around. But the whole town is built on top of a big mountain, and it's sloping steps everywhere. It actually reminds me a lot of Vietnam. Just watch this, alright? Watch this. All the mist. It's crazy. So yeah, when you get off at the bus station, right, just nearby there's a public observatory that you can walk up, get some views, and it's just absolutely beautiful up here. Look at all of that. The lowlands. There's another city over there somewhere. There's a little bit of Main Street behind us. Just look at all of this. TAIWAN. Yeah, so just walking through the Jiufen Bazaar there, it's absolutely mad, the old street. Hectic, bit of a claustrophobia and all of that. But I managed to come down to the lower levels, and once you see this, mad. But now, like, there's so many tea houses here, and the prices range from like 30 euros to 20 euros for a bit of green tea. And the rain has, well, died down a little bit, but humidity is still high. Finding myself sweating a lot. Just be warned, if you do come here, there's little to zero English at all. Everything is mostly in obviously Chinese. There's a few Thai and Korean, and and another thing, I went to buy a few souvenirs, but most of these places only take cash only. So bring loads of cash. I don't have much cash. Well, I don't have any cash at all since coming to Taiwan. And to be honest with you, I'm kind of lost. Now I don't know whether to head back to Taipei or continue my search for that tea house that was supposedly for a Spirited Away inspiration. But yeah, it is a tourist spot. Everything's aimed to take your money, but it is what it is. There's a huge influx of tourism here, people from all over different parts of Asia, Thailand, Vietnam, mainland China, Hong Kong, what else, Korea, Japan. There's loads here. But look, we move.